Shiba INU coin announced special plan to reach $0.5 soon. Step-by-step explanation. Shiba INU coin, the meme-based cryptocurrency that has been billed as a Dogecoin killer, has not gone away yet, despite a recent dip in cryptocurrencies. But will Shib coin ever reach the $0.5 mark? Hi Shiba INU lovers, welcome to Shiba INU coin, your daily dose of Shiba INU. If you are interested in everything around Shiba INU, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba INU news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Shiba INU will cost next week. Before we get to the topic, let's analyze the Shib price. As of the 11th of July, heading into the weekend, Shiba INU price extends its recent sluggish momentum as it remains in a bearish consolidative mode after Thursday's 10% decline. The K9-themed coin failed to sustain the gains fueled by the launch of Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange, earlier this week. The Shib rallied hard to hit weekly tops at $0.00009775 in a quick reaction to the launch on Tuesday. Now let's get back to our topic. Market Realist laid out the plan for how Shib coin could reach the $0.5 benchmark. Shib coin would need to climb 6 million% to hit $1. Since January, the coin has jumped about 2 million% every month, so it could, in theory, hit $0.5 by the end of 2021 if it keeps up that growth, according to Market Realist. Market Realist reports that if Shib maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if it grows at the rate of 10% per month, it would require 5 years to hit the $0.5 milestone, which points to 2025 at the earliest. There are 395 trillion Shiba INU tokens in circulation on May 18th, which gives it a market cap of $6.8 billion. As for Dogecoin, there are 129 billion tokens in circulation, which gives it a market value of $64 billion. While the Shiba token supply is fixed, Dogecoin supply is unlimited. Shiba has outperformed both blue-chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and meme tokens like Dogecoin. With that in mind, it isn't surprising that many investors want to know whether it can keep rising. The recent move by Ethereum's Buterin to burn more than 400 trillion Shib coins, worth about $6.8 billion, could boost the price. The action eliminates almost half of the altcoin's total supply. Reducing supply while demand is increasing provides an environment for the token's price to appreciate. The Shiba INU coin has been around since August 2020, but is being talked about only as of late. It is based on Ethereum. In the Wolf paper, that's cool crypto lingo for white paper, you uncool folks will never understand. The founders say that on the decentralized exchange Shiba Swap, there will be 3 flagship tokens: Shib for the Shiba INU coins, Leash for the Leash Dogecoin killer, and Bone for Bone. They say, we earned the nickname Dogecoin killer because we have the ability to outpace the value of Dogecoin exponentially without ever crossing the $0.01 mark. This particular point is what is bothering the Dogecoin holder and fans alike. The coin was expected to cross the $0.5 mark after Musk's SNL appearance provided a big boost, but instead fell significantly from $0.70 to $0.42, and has been attempting to rebound since. Now let's get into what major crypto analysts predict about Shib's future. Wallet investors said that based on their Shib price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is $0.0000670. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 737.5%. Changely, analysts believe the price of Shiba INU will increase in the coming years. It is predicted that by the end of 2021, the price may rise and reach $0.0000202, which is almost thrice the current price. Gov Capital said that their data indicates that the asset price has reflected a massive bull run for the past year, and it has tremendous long-term earning potential. The future price of the asset is predicted at $0.000018 by the end of this year. Trading Beasts said that the Shiba INU price is forecasted to reach $0.000121 by the beginning of December 2021. The expected maximum price is $0.000155. Minimum price $0.000105. The Shiba INU price prediction for the end of the month is $0.000124. Digital Coin Price said that as per the latest news, research, and Shiba token price prediction, the coin might cross $0.00001258 by the end of 2021 and by 2025, it may record a new all-time high around $0.000040. Sticking to the fact that Chinese investors hold a significant amount of these tokens, any new regulations from the Chinese country can stake the coin's future. Secondly, if the social background for the coin disperses, then the price can entangle into a bearish hook, and might even fall back at $0.00000869. Recently, Shiba INU coin market spiked by 25% after SpaceX founder Elon Musk tweeted about his dog, saying, "My Shiba INU will be named Floki." Elon Musk has been in the news for manipulating the cryptocurrency prices, and he did that again with Shiba INU like he did with Doge and Baby Doge. There are certainly a fair number of Shiba INU coin evangelists online, so it seems reasonable to think that this meme coin isn't going away just yet. Certainly, its recent listing on Coinbase has meant some skeptics will have had to revise their Shiba INU coin price prediction. El Salvador accepting Bitcoin as legal tender was crucial to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and Bitcoin price reacted accordingly. Interestingly, this news led Shiba INU's price to form a bottom due to the announcement, and also rallied 22% as a result. Soon thereafter, Coinbase announced that it would list Shiba INU, which pushed the market value with a dog-themed crypto by a whopping 50% in less than 16 hours. In fact, privacy is the hallmark of Shib, which has been the center point of all activities of Shiba INU tokens, gaining worldwide acceptance and popularity in the cryptocurrency market, making it a great investment. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the rates keep on changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the coin prices would have switched to a whole different range. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Shiba INU Coin.